Are you looking for a boat that does a lot of things well? Are you looking for a boat that's got a classic design, unsinkable foam, that you could literally cut the boat in half, float away on the front, fish on the back? Then you've come to the right spot. We've got a Boston Whaler 190 Montauk, and what sticks out to me as a big fan of the Montauk, I've owned a 17 myself, but the 190 is a nice step up from stability, length, ride quality, and performance. But it's also a boat that if you look at that classic tri-hull design, that pays homage to the original 60s model Montauks that came from Dick Fisher and Boston Whaler at the New York Boat Show. This 190 Montauk, you're going to see a couple upgrades and a couple options that are going to make this boat a little bit more desirable. But the reason I like the Montauk line is you don't even have to be a hardcore fisherman or a true fisherman to appreciate the boat. If you've been a boater, or you've been in the boat business, or you've had family members that boat, you're familiar with Boston Whaler, the pedigree that provides, and why these boats are so popular and kept on the water for 60 plus years. We're going to take a step inside, look at a couple key features that'll help you enjoy the boat at a higher level, and we'll take a look at what this boat's got to offer. So as you step inside, we've got an opportunity to see the deck space and fishing space at the back of the 190 Montauk. But the several things that jump out to me is versatility. So the jump seats here are plenty comfortable. On my 17 Montauk, this is actually where my two teenage boys sit. I like it because from a rawness and an enjoyment on saltwater and out there ripping through Tampa Bay, I can literally put my hand in the water and enjoy it and see, but feel safe. As a father that's got my little girl sitting up there next to me at the helm, I can also just kind of peek over my shoulder and my peripherals, know that he's got these tucked away low profile grab rails that if we get into a big wake or have to pass a big sport fish, that they're safe, they're stable, and our floating life jacket, the unsinkable legend Boston Whaler. But we've also got that big space that in our family is traditionally a cooler full of drinks, snacks, and all that. If it's not an island day and we're gonna go fishing, we'll kick these out, which you'll see the two posts in the back turn into rod holders where you'd have 4 rod holders all the way across. We might even put those cushions away. We might leave them, but we've got a bait well here inside the lean post that we've optioned up to where you're gonna have live bait or we're gonna have hardtails depending on what we're after. What I do like about that lean post as well is on top of having a live well in between, I can just lift that up, put it in the middle position and have it to where maybe my little girl's sitting forward there, or maybe I'm just kind of leaning on it as we cruise out and run out. But that 4-position seat lean post allows me to also sit down and have plenty of room to look back. The boat is already pre-rigged with Simrad VHF GPS multifunction. That's got my GPS, that's got my transducer sounder. It's got more capability than I probably need on a boat of this size and stature, but the boat is pre-rigged, ready to run. You are gonna see optional with Montauks ranging from 15 to 21 feet that the 19s and 21s can have the top. This one specifically has the white powder coat with a T-top or a cloth top, but give you a little bit of protection from the sun, the elements, the waves, etc. We sneak our way forward and get a look at that bow area, currently set up with a cooler seat, bow casting platform and bow cushions, but we've got more storage, we've got seat and backrest, we've got room for mama to lay out if she wants to sunbathe. I've also got room to get into that access for that locker, but if I want to, I could also kick these cushions off, leave them in the truck, leave them in the garage, because if I've got pre-rigged for trolling motor up front and we're fishing, rods at the back, big casting platform up front, we can use the boat in a multitude of ways, from fishing, island hopping, going to dinner, going to get cocktails, etc. I appreciate you joining us for the walkthrough video. The point I wanted to get across is you can buy this center console that's almost known as a utility boat that could get away for being well built enough to be a workboat, but to use it for luxury like dinner cruises, island hopping, fishing, and be a boat that's great on the water for you, family, friends, neighbors. My name is Caleb Peevler. I'm at MarineMax St. Petersburg. If you'd like to take us a look online, you can see us at MarineMax.com, where we're open 24 hours a day. But once again, thanks for joining us on the walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 190 Montauk.